What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in today. Today we are in my garage and we have the FJ here, and we are going to be putting all the parts that I've taken off the FJ, including the Bushwackers, the Bajarack, the rotopax mount, the tire mount, all that kind of stuff back onto the FJ now that it has fully cured and the Raptor Liner has set up. Raptor Liner states anywhere between 5 and 7 days is the time period you need for a full curing process. After 3 days, I drove it home. Didn't have any issues at all with it. So basically it's been just curing a little bit extra in my garage. So we are ready to go. Mainly I just want to get the parts on it today. It's supposed to snow in the next few days and I have the FRS back home. So I really want to get that into the garage and get the FJ actually out. It should be totally fine out there in the elements because it's been a full week. So shouldn't have any issues with that. But yeah, so we're going to go ahead and get all these parts back on for that today. So stay tuned for that. So here you guys go real quick. This is after a full week. Everything does still look great. We are going to be painting a lot of the accents. We need to paint the grille here. The mirrors and the handles need to be painted as well. And then I have a few other things I need to get painted. But yeah, so here's my cluster of parts that I have here, including my spare tire, Bushwackers, all that stuff. And I do have some new rear control arms I need to install as well. But I don't know if I'm going to get to those today or not. But we are going to be doing all those other parts, as I said. So stay tuned. We're just going to do a time-lapse video of me putting stuff on. If you guys have any questions concerning any of the install stuff, please leave them down below. But yeah, so stay tuned. And there you have it, guys. The Bushwackers are mounted up, as well as the snorkel on the passenger side. Real quick, easy install. I did put new silicone in behind the snorkel before I installed it, just to make sure that's a watertight seal, so you don't get any moisture or anything between the fender and the snorkel itself. So everything is done now. I am going to go ahead and put on the hood piece here. That is in the FJ, so I'll get that out. And then I think I'm going to go ahead and pull it outside to put my roof rack on, just because I cannot get the roof rack on in here. I can't back out of the garage. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. Hopefully we can beat the snow. If it starts snowing outside, I might just put off the roof rack till another day. And then from there, I'm going to go ahead and take off the grill because we're going to paint that black. And I'm going to take the mirrors off as well because they need a fresh coat of paint. So a quick little change of plans here. It did start snowing outside, but I did measure, and it looks like the roof rack should just clear the edge of my garage door once I actually get everything opened up. So we're going to go ahead and put the roof rack on now. And now the roof rack is on, so not too bad. We did put a blanket down just to make sure there's no scratching or anything like that. Put the blanket down on the whole entire thing so you can put the rack on and then kind of just kind of scoot it over to the other side. So everything is lined up now. I am going to go ahead and mount everything down, but I am going to reapply some silicone into the hole so I don't have any leaks into the headliner. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now, and then I'll be right back. All right, so now the rack is totally bolted on, and it also is the next day. We decided to go see a movie last night instead of continuing to work on the FJ, but I am going to go ahead and put on my ARB awning now using my G-Zilla design mounts that are already on the Bajarack. So that'll just be 4 little bolts, so I'll go ahead and do that, and then we're going to go ahead and get onto some other stuff. And the awning is on, and now, before it gets too cold because of all the snow out here, we are going to go ahead and put on our rotopax mount and our spare tire carrier and the spare tire and the rotopax. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. We're going to adjust everything over so the rotopax mount sits, right where the tire hardly touches the end of the mount here, and we're going to get that done. So I'm not going to do a time lapse of this one. We'll just get it all done when we're done. So that is all mounted up real quick. These are just finger tighted for now, temporary, until we get the spare tire mounted to make sure that we have the rotopax mount where we want it. If you guys have ever been curious about the Chi-Town 4x4 rotopax mount, it's actually a really cool design. It's all aluminum, it all bolts together, but the slides back here in the plate, basically the large creases and all that stuff allows you to adjust it, to adjust for any kind of spare tire you have, whether it's a 33 or a 35, you can adjust it in or out. So it's kind of a cool little feature to have on your car if you want to have those rotopax mounted on the back end. So what we're going to go ahead and do is just take our spare tire here, which I am going to get some new tires here shortly because these are pretty worn out. So we're going to go ahead and just kind of test fit it. We're going to finish this up because it's getting a little cold. And that's all wrapped up now. So I went ahead and put the rotopax on too. Got everything done. Spare tire is mounted. I will put the high lift jack on before I finish this video today, but I got the everything's nice and tight. As you guys can see, I got the tire right up in there. Just a little bit of clearance between the piece, the aluminum plate here and the tire itself. So everything is nice and snug up. Rotopax are locked in, so the back is done. But I think I am going to go ahead and call it a day for today, guys. It's a little cold today. It's been about 8 degrees all day long, so the FJ is looking a lot better. So we got a lot of stuff done to it. As I said, we got all of those parts on. We'll finish up with another video of me putting other stuff on. The light bar is not going back onto the front. We have something new in store, so we're going to go ahead and get that done. Hopefully in the next month we'll have that all finished up. But yeah, so next time you guys see it, I'll probably go ahead and pull the mirrors and the door handles, which the door handles are already pulled, but I'll pull the mirrors and the grille themselves, and I'll paint those. And then I'll make another little video of me wrapping up some other parts putting on here. So, all right, guys, well, that's it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos to come. Please like and subscribe and comment anything else you guys want to see. Thanks. Bye.